My name is Jacob Rosenberg. I'm Chief Surgeon at Herlev Hospital, which is a public hospital in the capital region of Denmark. I am also married and the father of 4 children. Working in the Danish healthcare system is very satisfying to me. Our standards within the clinical quality are very high, and in many areas of treatment we rank among the best in the world. We can also be proud of the fact that our system provides free medical treatment to all citizens. Even if you are a foreigner and just passing through, you can receive free medical treatment. Our management system is very open and flexible, and I find it to be a great strength. It makes the everyday communication run smoothly, and it strengthens the quality of our treatment. I often have foreign colleagues that come here to learn from our new ways of treatment. And that's because changes and new developments are happening fast in our line of work. You have to constantly seek new information in the international scientific publications, and you must also regularly attend international meetings and congresses in order to keep up with your network. It's simply a must to do so in order to ensure the best ways of treatment to the patients. I find the capital region of Denmark to be the most interesting region in Northern Europe. It can offer nearly everything that you may desire. Copenhagen is also a city with a very open-minded and relaxed atmosphere, and the crime rate is very low. So in my opinion, it's simply one of the best cities in the world to live in. I made a decision a long time ago that I wanted to be present for my family when I'm home. Instead of bringing work with me home, I will rather stay a few hours at the hospital and get things done there. My job is important and it means an awful lot to me, but it's in my family that I have my heart.